Welcome to Omasae, your dedicated space for exploring the intersection of nature, design, and deep tranquility. Today, we are embarking on a journey to transform the most modest of outdoor spaces into a refined sanctuary using the ancient wisdom of Zen philosophy. Many of us feel that a small yard or a tiny balcony limits our creative potential, but I am here to show you that limitation is actually the birthplace of true elegance. Before we dive into these transformative principles, please take a moment to subscribe to our community and hit the like button if you value peaceful, high-end design. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments about which part of your home currently needs a touch of serenity. By joining us today, you are stepping into a world where every stone and leaf serves a greater purpose for your well-being. Let us begin this masterclass in modern garden design by shifting our perspective from what we lack to the boundless beauty of what we can create. Together, we will redefine the atmosphere of your home using quiet luxury and intentionality. Kanso, or the principle of simplicity, is the foundational heartbeat of a Zen garden, especially when you are working within a confined footprint. In a small garden, less is more is not just a design choice, but a vital survival rule that prevents the space from feeling cluttered or overwhelming. Instead of crowding your view with 5 different types of plants, consider the profound impact of choosing one striking Japanese maple or a singular, lush patch of velvet moss. Reducing the variety of elements makes the entire space feel intentional and expansive, rather than busy or chaotic to the eye. When we strip away the non-essential, we allow the remaining features to truly shine with a sense of quiet luxury. Every plant you select should have the room to express its natural form without competing for attention with neighboring flowers. This minimalist approach creates a visual clarity that immediately lowers the heart rate and invites the mind to settle into the present moment. Think of your garden as a living canvas where the white space is just as important as the painted subject. By embracing Kanso, you turn a simple corner into a sophisticated statement of peace and refined taste. Fukinsei introduces us to the concept of asymmetry, a vital technique for breaking the rigid, boxy feel that often plagues modern urban gardens. To achieve this, you must consciously avoid placing things in the dead center of your layout, as perfect symmetry often feels forced and unnatural. By placing a majestic stone or a delicate plant slightly off-center, you naturally create what the Japanese call ma, or the powerful negative space that exists between objects. This intentional emptiness is exactly what gives the eye a place to rest, magically making a tiny balcony or a dark nook feel like a vast, unfolding landscape. Natural beauty is rarely perfectly balanced, so your garden should reflect the organic and spontaneous growth found in the wild. When a focal point is shifted away from the center, it creates a dynamic energy that encourages the viewer to look closer and explore the scene. This sense of imbalance actually creates a more profound harmony because it feels authentic and deeply connected to the rhythms of the earth. Use this principle to draw the eye toward hidden details and to create a flow that feels both effortless and high-end. Through Fukinsei, your small space gains a sense of sophisticated movement that a symmetrical design could never achieve. Shizukan focuses on the quality of tranquility, specifically through the clever use of sound masking to shield your sanctuary from the outside world. In a small urban garden, the intrusive noise of traffic or neighbors can often shatter the illusion of peace you are trying to build. A simple yet powerful solution is to incorporate a tiny stone water basin known as a tsukubai, featuring a gentle, rhythmic drip. This soft acoustic layer works to drown out neighborhood distractions, instantly shifting the vibration of your space to one of profound calm. The sound of water hitting stone acts as a frequency for meditation, pulling your focus away from the chaotic city and back to the natural world. Beyond the sound, the visual presence of water reflects the sky and adds a layer of light and movement to a stationary landscape. You don't need a large waterfall to achieve this effect. Even the smallest trickle can transform the auditory atmosphere of your entire home. This creates a sensory experience that feels private, secluded, and incredibly luxurious, regardless of how close your neighbors might be. Shizukan ensures that your garden is not just a sight for the eyes, but a holistic refuge for the spirit. Yūgen is the principle of subtle mystery, proving that you can create a sense of infinite depth even within 10 square feet of space. This technique involves the art of conceal and reveal, where you intentionally hide certain parts of the garden to pique the viewer's curiosity. You can use a tall, slender plant or a beautifully crafted wooden slat screen to partially obscure the back boundaries of your garden area. If the human eye cannot clearly see where the garden ends, the mind naturally perceives the space as being much larger and more infinite than it truly is. This layer of mystery adds a sophisticated narrative to your design, suggesting that there is always more to discover just out of sight. It transforms a flat, predictable area into a multidimensional journey that feels like a private escape into a hidden forest. Shadows play a crucial role here, as they define the shapes and hide the edges, adding to the atmospheric weight of the sanctuary. By not revealing everything at once, you invite the viewer to slow down and truly engage with the textures and nuances of the environment. Yūgen is the secret weapon for any small garden owner who wants to achieve a high-end, professional look with minimal square footage. Datsuzoku represents the freedom from convention, urging you to use natural materials that break the rigid urban grid of modern living. While our cities and homes are primarily made of straight lines, flat concrete, and industrial materials, your garden should be the antithesis of that structure. To bring this principle to life, your small garden should feature the irregular, weathered curves of driftwood or the ancient texture of river rocks. These elements provide a necessary contrast to the sharp corners of a patio or the vertical lines of a fence, offering a visual escape from the ordinary. By incorporating pieces that look as though they were shaped by centuries of wind and water, you ground your space in a sense of timelessness. This departure from the routine helps the mind disconnect from the stresses of daily life and reconnect with the wildness of nature. Choosing materials that have a history and a soul adds a layer of quiet luxury that brand new, mass-produced decor simply cannot provide. Let your garden be a portal where the ordinary laws of the modern city no longer apply, and natural beauty takes center stage. This freedom of form is what ultimately makes your sanctuary feel like a true masterpiece of personal expression. As we close our exploration of these 5 Zen principles, I hope you feel inspired to see your small garden not as a limitation, but as a profound opportunity for peace. Transforming a space into a sanctuary is a journey of the heart, and every small change you make brings you closer to a more tranquil lifestyle. If you found these design secrets helpful, please subscribe to Omasae so you never miss our future guides on creating high-end, nature-inspired homes. Don't forget to like this video to help others find their own path to stillness, and share your favorite Zen principle in the comments below. We truly value your presence in this community and look forward to seeing how you apply these sophisticated techniques to your own unique spaces. Remember that luxury is not found in the size of your land, but in the quality of the silence you create within it. Thank you for spending this time with us, and may your journey toward a more peaceful home be filled with joy and clarity. Until next time, stay grounded, keep designing with intention, and enjoy the beautiful sanctuary you are building for yourself.